Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. E-Business Week 7, Assignment 7. So the first question is every payment system has four components: instruments, rules, institutions, and legal systems. In the Indian payment system, which of the following is an example of an instrument? So these are the options: bank, check, ATM, RBI. So let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, instruments through which payments can be made. So rules, regulation, and procedure that guide these payment institutions which facilitates payment mechanism. So the answer of our first question is B, check. Now the second question is which of the following entities is responsible for connecting merchants with the credit card companies? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, credit card settlement process, card processing center. So the answer of our second question is A. Now the third question is why is TLS not suitable for credit card payment transactions? So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, TLS supports mutual authentication between client and server. No guarantee that the payment information is secured and not misused at the merchant server. No guarantee that the merchant is authorized to get the payment through the specified credit card. So the answer of our third question is D, all of the above. Now the fourth question is the communication level in interoperability between two information system is possible due to. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, B2B interoperability communication level network protocol level TCP/IP. So the answer of our fourth question is C. Now the fifth question is preparation of electronic documents stage during EDI process does the following. So these are the option. And the answer of our fifth question is C. Now, the sixth question is the cost involved in preparation of EDI trading partner agreement is termed as. So these are the options: consulting cost, legal cost, networking cost, training cost. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, legal cost, EDI required entering partnership with other companies, EDI trading partner agreement. So the answer of our sixth question is B. Now, the seventh question is the difference between XML wrapper and parser is the former is used for dash and the latter is for dash. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question 7, purchase order, XML wrapper, XML parser, purchase order, the internet. So the answer of our seventh question is A. Now the eighth question is Gmail is example of an dash cloud model. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, software as a service, data is secure in the cloud. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Now the ninth question is our organization has adopted cloud service hosted in the institute premises. Since we do not have in-house expertise in managing the cloud, we have a contract with Google to help us out. Our cloud can be termed as. So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, private cloud single org only managed by the org or a third party on or off premise. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Now, the 10th question is a software system designed to support interoperable machine to machine interaction over a network is called a dash. So, these are the options. And now, let's check the answer of our 10th question. So, question 10th, what is a web service? A software system designed to support interoperable machine to machine interaction. So, the answer of our 10th question is C. Now, submit your answer. Thank you, friends, for watching our video.